What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to teach you a trading pattern that you must take every time you see this develop on the charts, okay? Listen, guys, today will be a video jam-packed full of lessons that can hopefully help you on your journey. It is my desire to be your mentor. It is my desire to be your coach, okay? And part of what I want to do is teach you guys how to fish. And on that journey, it is making sure that you guys understand these concepts in such a way that you guys can go out and apply what's being taught, but more importantly, get some real results, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, we have the 2-minute chart pulled up for today's lesson, and I'm going to walk you guys through several things that I want you guys to pay attention to, okay? Number one being the fact that you have two things going on here. I want you guys to see this 13, okay, this big move here, and then I want you to see when it crosses down at this juncture right here. I want you to quickly identify what happens, okay? Then I want you to take your eyes here to this inflection point and watch what it does once it crosses back over and then heads back to the upside, okay? That's a real quick initial start I want to make sure you guys see. But more importantly, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. What do you see here? All right, tell me, what do you see here? Hopefully you guys see the double top, okay? We call that the double top. And guys, the double top typically leads to a move down, okay? This is a pattern that you want to take advantage of whenever you see this, but the goal for me is to teach you guys to see this and identify this in real time when it's actually happening, okay? So what do we have at play, guys, okay? Once we cross back to the upside, you see the 13 crosses the 48 right there, okay? When we got above the 200, this is the 200 line right here. You want to always know your levels, okay? You want to know what's what. That was a 200 right there, okay? Once we got above, typically, guys, 2 candles above a level, you kind of know you have cleared that particular area of resistance, okay? Same is true to the downside. So we had 2 candles here, but then this proceeded up, guys. Boom, 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 making what we have our first top right there. Pulled all the way back, guess what, to the 200 EMA to bounce off of that level, okay? Had some moves in here, but nevertheless, we formed that second top. And then, guys, we had where the money is made, all right? We started our ascension downwards, and boom, we hit the 200 here. We bounced initially before we had 2 candles that broke through to let us know we were officially down. But not only did we have that clue, we also had this clue right here, which was the cross of the 1348, okay? The 13 EMA crossed over the 48, and then you guys see this EMA proceeded to go down. We had nothing but bear flag after bear flag take place, okay? And then Microsoft continued its way down. Now, guys, check this out. Okay, I am going to illustrate for you what you want to begin to take advantage of. Okay, listen, guys, every time you see this particular setup that we're going to go over next, you need to take the shot. Okay, one shot, one kill. All right, whenever you see this, you have to be so confident in your due diligence. You have to be so confident in the work you're putting in private, behind the scenes, on the weekend, after watching these videos, okay, that when you see this, you have to take the shot. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, check this out, guys. Once you had this big red candle occur, okay, boom, that's the boom boom candle. That's the bear boom boom candle, okay? I showed you that in a previous video, you had the boom boom candle come through. Then look at it form the bear flag. Then it came down. But when you see the 13 right here operating as resistance, that first rejection is your cue. Okay, right now I need to identify which particular moving average are the candles respecting. And right now it's the 13. So your entry is on any pullback to the 13. It came down here, it bounced back up here. Didn't even make it to the 13 EMA here. And then boom, you get this boom boom candle. Okay. And then we continue to flag out. You had this boom boom candle. Guys, this is so much money to be made if you learn to catch this. But then check this out. This is, if you miss this move, for instance, okay, if you're not catching that the 13 is operating as resistance right now, look at this move right here. This big green candle come up, and then boom, it too couldn't even get through. And then we had more moves to the downside. Okay, even this candle right here, look at where it is testing at. It is testing the 13 and unable to break. As you see, the green candle gets smacked back down there. Listen guys, this is a pattern. When you see this crossover happens, meaning the 13 crossing down over the 48, okay, that's on a 2-minute time frame. If you can find confirmation on the 5-minute time frame, okay, and you might already notice that it will have already occurred on a 1-minute time frame. Now you got 3 pieces of confirmation that you are in the right play. Okay, you are taking the right trade. These are what we look at as high quality and high probability trade setups that leads to big money. Okay, and so you have to see this trading pattern, but more importantly, you have to take it when you see it, because it's going to lead to success. Okay, you also need to know that every big red candle, what we known as a boom boom candle around here, every boom boom candle in a downtrend will be followed by more red candles to the downside. Okay, that also could serve as an indicator. When you see the color going in your favor, when you see the candles consuming one another in such a manner that is so strong to one direction, you need to make sure you get in and that you stay on the right side of the trade. Okay, these are the things that will lead to massive success on your journey. Okay, and these are the things you want to make sure that you are implementing and applying on your trading journey. All right, with that being said, guys, listen, these opportunities will come up time and time again. Today's example was with Microsoft, for example. Okay, however, whether you trading anything in the market, these rules apply. Okay, this is a 2-minute time frame. This also works on a 5-minute. This also works on a 15-minute, as well as every other time frame. If you see this occur, if you see the candles respecting the 13 and getting rejected on any pullback to the opposite direction, your cue has to be, okay, that is the moving average it is currently respecting. Let me make sure I'm along for the ride. Okay, with that being said, guys, hopefully today's lesson was helpful. I will keep dropping them each and every day, ensuring that you guys are continuing to learn and grow on your journey. Okay, if this was helpful, please give me a like. Please share this with somebody that may need it. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.